Searching for the perfect contour, blush, and highlight palette can be overwhelming, especially when you're on a budget. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, SPRINGSKY 16 Colors Contour Palette. The SPRINGSKY 16 Colors Contour Palette caught my eye with its striking variety, 16 different shades for only $8.99. It's a solid choice if you want to explore different looks without splurging. If you want all-in-one versatility at an affordable price, this is worth a serious look. That means no matter your skin tone, you can find something that works for you. The smooth powder formula is designed to blend seamlessly, giving you that natural glow we all crave. The lightweight mineral powder promises all-day wear without feeling heavy, making it great for easy, everyday makeup. Plus, with over 5,000 units sold just last month, people are clearly excited about it. Now, some people complained about the pigmentation being a bit light for their taste. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a more natural look or are new to makeup, this might actually be a perfect fit for you. The lighter pigmentation allows you to build up the color gradually. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with your makeup and want a variety of options. Skip this if you're looking for something super bold right off the bat. For $8.99, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the lighter pigmentation is a deal breaker for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ELF Contour Palette. Next up is the ELF Contour Palette, which is priced at just $10. What I love about this one is its customizable approach. You can really tailor it to your skin tone. If you want a palette that sculpts and brightens while being super user-friendly, this is worth a serious look. This palette features 4 shades that work together to sculpt, shade, and define your features. Infused with vitamin E, it also nourishes your skin while giving you that gorgeous glow. It's compact, making it ideal for travel or on-the-go touch-ups, perfect for busy schedules. Plus, ELF products are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which is a huge plus for many. However, some users mention that the shades can be a bit too warm for their liking. Here's the thing, if you have cool undertones, it might not be your best bet. But if you tend to lean warmer, this palette could be a perfect match. This is perfect for you if you're new to contouring and want something easy to apply. Skip this if you prefer a broader range of cooler shades. At $10, it's a solid investment for daily wear. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for achieving that glowing complexion you want. Product number 3, Wet n Wild Mega Glow Blush Lighter. Coming in at just $5.47, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Blush Lighter is a steal. This product combines both blush and highlighter in one, which is fantastic if you're looking to simplify your makeup routine. If you want that radiant glow without spending a fortune, this one's worth a serious look. This means you can layer them for a more intense look or keep it subtle for everyday wear. It's designed for all skin tones, so you know you're covered no matter your complexion. With over 2,000 units sold last month, it's clear that people are loving this product. That said, some users found that the shimmer can be a bit too much for daytime looks. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who loves a bit of sparkle, this might be just what you need. However, if you prefer a matte finish, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you love a luminous look and want an all-in-one product. Skip this if you're not a fan of shimmer. For $5.47, it's an incredible value. Now, if you're looking for something with more nourishing properties, you'll want to hear about the next product. Product number 4, Physicians Formula Butter Palette. Next up is the Physicians Formula Butter Palette with a price tag of $17.66. It's a bit pricier, but what caught my attention was its nourishing ingredients. If you want makeup that cares for your skin while providing a gorgeous glow, this is worth a serious look. This palette includes bronzers, blush, highlighter, and face powder all in one, all made with a blend of moisturizing butters. It's loaded with essential fatty acids and provitamins, making it perfect for anyone with sensitive skin. The formula is also talc-free and breathable, which is a huge plus for those who have skin concerns. The reviews are stellar. Users rave about how soft and glowing their skin looks. However, some people have mentioned that the pigmentation might be too subtle for those who prefer a more dramatic look. Here's the thing, if you love a natural, sun-kissed look, then this is an ideal option. But if you want something that really stands out, you might want to keep looking. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive skin and want nourishing makeup. Skip this if you prefer high pigmentation. At $17.66, you're investing in quality for your skin. Now, if you're someone who prefers cream over powder, the next product is for you. Product number 5, ELF Cream Contour Palette. Finally, we have the ELF Cream Contour Palette for just $10. This one caught my eye for its creamy texture and blendable formula. If you want something that's easy to layer and build, this is worth a serious look. This palette features 4 shades that allow you to highlight, contour, and bronze your face effortlessly. It's designed to be buildable, so you can go from a natural to a bold look depending on your mood. Plus, it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which is fantastic. Many users appreciate how it melts into the skin while providing a flawless finish. It's perfect for all skin types. However, some users found that the cream formula can be a bit tacky until it sets. Here's the thing though, if you're patient and give it a moment to dry, the payoff is worth it. Those who love a dewy finish will really enjoy this product. This is perfect for you if you like cream products for their blendability. Skip this if you're not a fan of the initial tackiness. At $10, you're getting a great product that blends like a dream. So to recap, we've covered the SPRINGSKY 16 Colors Palette ELF, Contour Palette Wet n Wild Mega Glow, Physicians Formula Butter Palette, and ELF Cream Contour Palette. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the ELF Contour Palette because it strikes a great balance between quality and price while being user-friendly. The one to avoid would be the Physicians Formula Butter Palette if you're after high pigmentation. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.